Golden chicken on the outside, tender and juicy inside, topped with a garlicky, herby chimichurri sauce. Tell me that does not sound amazing. For this recipe, you will need a bunch of fresh cilantro and parsley, some good olive oil, lemon juice, white vinegar, garlic, and just a touch of salt. That is the magic of chimichurri sauce. It is simple but so packed with flavor. To get started, I'm using 3 chicken breasts, and since they are thick, I'll cut each one in half. This way, it's easier to cook and get all the spices. Then make small slits on top so the marinade really gets in and the chicken is fully flavorful. And this is what we want. We want our chicken to be full of flavors. When you're done, add the chicken to a bowl and season generously with salt, black pepper, paprika, nutmeg, and Cajun seasoning. Give everything a good toss so each piece is fully coated in spices. Cover with a plastic wrap and let it marinate in the fridge for at least an hour or even overnight for maximum flavor. That way, when you're ready to cook, your chicken is already infused with all that delicious seasoning. While the chicken marinates, let's make our chimichurri sauce. Into a blender or a food processor, add 4 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, the juice of half a lemon, and a bunch of cilantro and parsley. I like to give the herbs a quick chop first since my food processor is small, but if you're using a big one, you can just skip that step. We're just giving our herbs like a very rough chop. I'll do this for the parsley and the cilantro. Quick tip: chimichurri keeps in the fridge for 5 to 7 days. Just cover it well and add a thin layer of oil on top to keep it fresh. You can also freeze it for about 3 months. That way you will always have a batch ready to brush over chicken, steak, grilled veggies after a long day. After we have added our cilantro and parsley and blended everything together about halfway through, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And to that, add a pinch of salt. The herbs transform into this vibrant green sauce, the garlic gives it a little kick, and the olive oil ties it all together with that silky texture. And just like that, our chimichurri sauce is ready. And this only took about 5 minutes from me. If you're a fan of fresh, flavorful sauces, give this video a like. Now, since it is ready, I'll transfer it to a ramekin bowl just to show you how it looks. Look how green and fresh this looks. We will spoon it over our cooked chicken later on. The chicken has been marinating in the fridge for about an hour, so let's start cooking it. In a pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add the chicken. Cook until the first side is golden brown, then flip and let the other side get that beautiful, nice color. Since we already sliced our chicken in half and it's pretty thin, it will not take that long to cook. Once it is fully cooked through, and only then, lower the heat to medium and spoon that gorgeous chimichurri sauce right over the top. Let it simmer together for about 5 to 10 minutes so that the chicken absorbs all that herby, garlicky goodness. You can serve this with the fluffy white rice, with pasta, roasted veggies, or even mashed potato. And that is how you turn a simple chicken breast into flavorful, restaurant-style dinner at home. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. I'd love to hear. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.